all, welcome to my channel. If you have not subscribed to it, please subscribe to it and do not forget to hit the bell icon present on the right side of it to get the notifications about it. Many of us find ourselves on our feet throughout the day, which is why maintaining good foot health is important. Cracked heels are one of the worst nightmares for a woman. Having dry cracked heels can be painful, especially when you are on your feet all day. Now, what causes cracks in your heels? It is lacking moisture, some other medical condition can be there, and the reason like obesity, athlete's foot, psoriasis, thyroid, diabetes, etc. They can cause discomfort or pain. When weight and pressure are applied to the flat pad under the heel, the skin expands suddenly, causing cracks in heels. It is a common problem. Some contributing factors for cracked heels are taking long hot baths or showers, harsh weather conditions, wearing shoes with thin soles or open backs. Now I'll tell you about the everyday feet care. Avoid harsh soaps. Gently using a foot filer to remove hard skin on the heels can be beneficial, but scrubbing dry cracked heels can worsen the problem. So the point is to restore moisture. Wash your feet every day with loofah and apply a good moisturizer on them daily. These days I have started using biotic coconut oil cream for my feet and I have noticed a great change in my feet. I have mixed a little amount of coconut oil in it just to lock the moisture content. I apply it every morning and every night when I go to bed. Do not skip it. You can dip your feet in warm water with salt in it, but I avoid all of them. I have no time for this. So the easy way to moisturize it daily. Wear socks for a few days to heal them properly if you are having cracked heels. So this is all for today. See you in the next one. If you liked the video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more. Bye.